If you're seeing the OneNote error that says this page contains conflicting changes, don't worry, as this is usually a sync or cache issue, and in this video I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix. We're going to sign out of OneNote completely, clear the local cache, and then sign back in so OneNote can rebuild everything properly. This is one of the quickest ways to resolve stubborn sync problems and get your notes working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open OneNote and click your account name or profile icon inside the app. You'll usually find this in the top right corner, depending on your version of OneNote. Once you open the account menu, choose Sign Out from all active profiles. If you use OneNote with a corporate, school, or personal account, make sure you sign out of every profile that is currently connected. This step is important because we want to fully refresh the sign-in session and remove any old syncing data that may be causing the conflict. After signing out, fully close OneNote. Don't just minimize it, make sure the application is completely shut down. If you want to be extra safe, you can also check your taskbar or system tray to confirm that OneNote is no longer running in the background. Once it is fully closed, reopen OneNote and sign in again with the same account you normally use. In many cases, this alone can clear the issue, because OneNote will reconnect to your notebooks with a fresh session. If the problem still appears, we'll move on to the next step, which is clearing OneNote's local cache. To do that, fully close OneNote again. Then press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, paste this path, %localappdata, %\Microsoft\OneNote, and then press Enter. This will take you directly to OneNote's local data folder on your computer. Inside that folder, open the folder for your current version of OneNote. In most cases, this will be the 16.0 folder, but your version may look slightly different. Once you're inside the version folder, look for a folder named Cache. This folder stores temporary local data, and if it becomes corrupted, it can trigger sync errors like conflicting changes. Right-click the cache folder and delete it. Don't worry, OneNote will recreate this cache automatically the next time it starts. After deleting the cache, relaunch OneNote. Sign back in if prompted, then give the app a moment to sync your notebooks again. Depending on how large your notebooks are, it may take a little time for everything to rebuild and reconnect. In most cases, this process fixes the conflicting changes error and gets your pages syncing normally again. If you still see the issue after this, try checking whether the same page is open on another device or browser, because editing the same note in multiple places at the same time can sometimes create a conflict. But in most situations, signing out, clearing the cache, and relaunching OneNote is the fix you need. If this tutorial helped you resolve the OneNote conflicting changes error, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.